Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bean salsa, easy method. Combine black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, jalapeno, cilantro, lime juice, and salt in a bowl and toss. Taste and adjust salt, heat, and acidity, then let the salsa chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Serve with chips, tacos, or grilled protein and enjoy a fresh, bright salsa that stores well for 3 days. It's simple and quick to make. Start with canned black beans, diced tomatoes, and frozen corn as the base, and measure roughly 2 cups of combined mix. Add 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, a handful of cilantro, and the juice of 1 lime for brightness. Season with ½ teaspoon salt and a pinch of cumin if desired. Mix gently, taste, and remember you can scale this recipe up easily for gatherings or meal prep. It stores well refrigerated. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: Socks Life's Too Short for Cheap Socks, Go Darn Tough with a Lifetime Warranty is a fun kitchen survival pick that keeps your feet happy during long prep. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Thanks for the support. See you in a moment. Rinse and drain the beans to remove excess sodium and improve texture before combining them with other ingredients. Finely chop onion, jalapeno, and cilantro so flavors distribute evenly, and gently fold together with lime juice and seasoning. Let the salsa rest at least 30 minutes for the flavors to marry, then serve chilled or at room temperature. This keeps well, so make ahead for parties or weekday lunches, and it's perfect for chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.